Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. We're going to emphasise in our number 11 glide how our feet need to be as vertical, that is the blades need to be as vertical as possible. If our feet droop inwards because we have dropped arches or bend outwards, we're going to need to make a correction to get that nice, neat vertical. We're going to refer to that as neutral feet.
When we are still very new to ice skating, we may start from our forwards walks with little or no speed. Not to worry, the goal is to convert our gentle forward momentum into a glide by learning to switch the feet and legs from movement to stillness. That stillness should also be present in the upper body. Keep your arms outstretched side to side as if you were walking and balancing on a narrow wall.
Another point that is worth a mention whilst we're doing our number 11 glide is our glide point on our blade. We're going to briefly mention the rocker of the blade. A blade is curved like a banana, and we have several areas, a back, a middle and a front zone to that curve. We're going to aim to glide in that nice middle zone, and that's why bending our knees helps us, knees and ankles, helps us to remain more in that central zone.
The mid-zone of the blade is the ideal gliding spot for both hockey and figure skates. And bending the knees and ankles helps to manage our balance in that central zone as we change from walking to gliding.